This week I posted a video on the main TradeSmart channel in which I tested 11 momentum indicators 27,000 times to find the best one. That video is highly technical and not for beginners, but if you are interested, you can check it out by clicking on the pop-up in the top right corner or find the video link down in the description. To complete the backtest, I coded 11 different TradingView strategy scripts with ChatGPT, and in this video I will share one of those scripts with you and an optimization I made for it for the BTCUSDT 1 hour chart. First, I will show you the indicators needed and the rules of the strategy, then I will explain how you can get the full script for free. Finally, I will show you the backtest results and the strategy ranking spreadsheet. To support the channel, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first open up TradingView and set up the BTCUSDT 1 hour chart. Once you got that, let's add our indicators, so open up your indicators tab. For this strategy we will only use 3 indicators, one entry signal indicator, one entry signal confirmation indicator and one exit signal indicator. Our entry signal indicator will be the super trend, so type in super trend and add this one to your chart. For the confirmation indicator, type in TSI and add the true strength index. And finally, for the exit signals, type in range filter and add this one to your chart. Now we have all of the indicators we need for this strategy, but as I said, I made an optimization, so we need to change some settings. Let's do that. First, open up the entry signal indicator, the super trend, change the ATR period to 15 and the ATR multiplier to 1.5. Then open up the exit signal indicator, which is the range filter, change the sampling period to 75 and the range multiplier to 10. And lastly, open up our confirmation indicator, the true strength index, change the long length to 60, the short length to 120 and the signal length to 55. And now we are ready to talk about the rules of the strategy. This is the script I made, and as you can see, this optimization is set to long only. So let's see the rules for a long trade. Here we have a valid long entry signal. For a valid long entry, first we need to see that the super trend prints a buy signal. If you take a closer look, here is the super trend buy signal. And the second rule is that the true strength index line needs to be above the signal line. This blue line is the true strength line, and this red or pink line is the signal line. As you can see on the super trend buy signal, the blue line just crossed above the pink line. So every criteria is met for a valid long entry. We can enter at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. As you can see, our script entered at the open of the next candle. With this strategy we won't be using a stop loss, but for safety I can recommend you to head over to ChatGPT and add the stop loss function to this strategy. And when we will exit the position, we will exit the position when the range filter prints a sell signal. But don't forget, even if we are in a long position currently, we will still enter into another long position if we get another valid entry signal. Here is an example for that. As you can see, the super trend printed another buy signal. The TSI line was above the signal line, so this is a new valid entry signal. In this case, our script adds to the position and opens another long entry. Moving on, we can see another buy signal from the super trend, but now the TSI line is under the signal line, so it is not a valid entry. Same goes here, same goes here. But here we get another valid entry. And shortly after, if you take a closer look, here you can see a sell signal from the range filter, which is when we close every long position. So in total, the last trade would have been a loser. And the trade before that was also a losing one. But the first trade made back all of those profits, as it was a huge winner with a 1:6 risk-to-reward ratio and captured a 3% move. Okay, now I will show you a screenshot of a valid short entry signal, and then I will explain how you can get access to the full strategy script for free. So, if you want to try out the full coded strategy, which can give you backtest results, Go down into the description of this video, you will find there a Google Drive link where you can download the full strategy. I put the same link down in the comment section too. Once you downloaded the script, copy it, open up the Pine editor, click on Open and New Strategy, then highlight everything here and paste the strategy code right there. Finally, click on Add to Chart. If you've done that correctly, you should see something like this. If you like this video so far, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps out this channel. And now, let me show you the backtest results and then the strategy ranking spreadsheet. For the backtest, I used a $10,000 capital with a $4,000 position size on each trade. I set the pyramiding to 100. This makes possible to enter on every entry signal, even if we are a trade already. I used a commission of 0.1% per trade and the slippage of 2 ticks. Again, here are the optimization settings. And as I said, this is a long-only strategy. On the BTCUSDT 1-hour chart, in the last 4 years, starting on the 1st of March 2020 and ending with the 1st of March 2024, this strategy took 374 trades, generated 555% net profit with a 38% win rate, a 2.1 profit factor, and 23% maximum drawdown. For those who are interested in the detailed summary, here it is. Talking about the equity curve, this is not the best I've seen. It has big drawdowns, but that can be easily solved by using ChatGPT and adding a stop loss to this strategy. At the beginning, we were slightly trending up, then we had a huge run up, then we peaked out here, then here, and after that, this was probably the bear market of the last cycle, and now we are again trending up as we are already in the new bull cycle. If you take a look on the buy and hold equity curve, we can see that Bitcoin outperformed this strategy, but if you take into consideration that it took around a 70% drop, this strategy would have been a better choice to use. But it's just my opinion. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Also, let's see how this strategy performs on higher and lower timeframes and on a few other assets. On the 2-hour chart, it looks great. On the 4-hour, it's still good, but the 2-hour was better. On the 30-minute, it performed really well recently. On the 15-minute, it's still good. 10-minute is not so good. And 5-minute is even worse. So ranging from the 15-minute till the 4-hour, or even up until the daily chart, this strategy performs good based on the backtest. But of course, a backtest does not guarantee that this strategy will perform the same in the future. There's always a possibility of overfitting. That's why before I use any strategy on live markets, I let it run for a few months to see how it really performs. And of course, I don't have to mention that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. Now let's see a few other assets. Going back to the 1-hour time frame, let's see Aave, it's losing, ADA, getting better, Algo, still losing, BNB, still bad, Algorand is bad, Ethereum is good, Filecoin is very good, FTM is good also, Gala is great, HBAR had a huge drawdown but is trending up now, ICP looks the same, Illuvium, similar, and NEAR also had a big run-up recently. I also have to mention that as you can see on other assets we have a huge drawdown. But you can always control that by decreasing or increasing your position sizing. For example, if I change it to 1000 from 4000, the drawdown also gets lower. And now let's see how good this strategy really is. Let's put it up on the strategy ranking spreadsheet. Here we have our strategy ranking spreadsheet. This is also linked down in the description. And today's strategy was the Super Trend plus range filter with TSI. Out of the 9 strategies we have ranked, it took the 5th place, which is not that great, but not that bad. Its 455% net profit comes out to a 0.31% profit per day. Here I will put the YouTube links and the script download link too. And that wraps up today's video. If you like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to support my work and get access to all of the 11 scripts I coded to find the best momentum indicator, check out our Patreon and become a Smart Trader tier member. Link is down in the description. If you want to learn how you can turn any TradingView indicator into a full PineScript strategy, check out this video. Or if you want to see another ChatGPT generated strategy, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, and until next time, trade smart.